Hey, I'm Kurt and welcome back to So Many Activities with Kurt and Tanya. We're going to go ahead and continue our German theme. Previously we did bratwurst, so now we're going to do warm potato salad. We're going to go ahead and start with the ingredients. We're going to have 1 pack of bacon. We have 8 medium potatoes. These are golden potatoes. I guess you can use any potatoes that you want. I've heard of red potatoes and even russets. 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon of mixed garlic, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of apple cider, 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of water, and chopped parsley to garnish. So we're going to go ahead and start up our bacon. And what we want to do is we just want to brown up the bacon nice and crispy. We want to keep all the bacon grease, so that's where all the flavor comes from, and that's where we're going to go ahead and our diced onion for flavor. Now, as the bacon is cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to cut these into slices. I've seen it both ways, but we're actually at a German restaurant when we're in Fredericksburg for Oktoberfest, and they actually did theirs in slices, so that's what we're going to do this time. And before you actually start to slice, we're going to go down the middle, turn it 1/4, and then dice straight down. I was told the reason my knives were going dull is because I was using the knife edge side to slide my ingredients over, so I turn it over and use the back side of it. Thank you for the comment. All right, now that we have the potatoes cut up and they're on the stove boiling, we're just stirring up the bacon so it gets crisp, but it doesn't burn. Okay, the bacon is still frying up. We're watching that. It is almost done. So we have the onion peeled, and we're just going to chop that up into smaller chunks. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and remove the bacon, but leave the bacon grease, and we'll cook the onions, saute the onions in bacon grease. Now, bacon's done. Tanya's taking it out and putting it on a paper towel, putting it aside for later time. Like I said, if you want to take some of the bacon grease out, you can go ahead and do it at this time. Don't take it all out. We're going to leave it in because it brings out the flavor in the onion. Bacon is out. We're going to go ahead and put the onion in. And we're just going to cook it, saute it until it's all nice and translucent, which is not going to take very long at all. Alright, it looks like the onions are completely done, translucent. So now we're going to put in the garlic. Let's brown that garlic up a little bit. It's starting to smell good now. Now that the garlic is done, we don't know if we want to overcook the garlic, it gets bitter. Now we're going to add the flour, sugar, pepper, and celery salt. We're not using regular salt because if we added the salt with the celery salt, it would just get to be too much. I'm going to stir this in. Now that we're stirred up, we're going to go ahead and mix in the apple cider vinegar. We've turned down the heat. and the water. Now we're going to go ahead and let it simmer until it starts to thicken up. Doesn't look like it's taking very long. It's thickening up pretty quick. All right, now that the potatoes are done, we're going to go ahead and add our sauce. And we actually tried the sauce, and you might need to add just a little bit more sugar depending on your taste and your likes. Either way is fine. So we're going to go ahead and mix this in. Then we're going to take our bacon. Fold that in. I want to be able to have bacon in every bite. You know, that's my dream. And then to garnish it, we're going to take the freshly chopped parsley. And we are done. So, Tanya, go ahead and dish up.
That was good.
Right, you take the first bite in case you get sick. I don't want to.
I'll be the guinea pig.
There you go.
It's some bacon in there. That was really good.
Very good. Okay, Aaron, since you're holding the camera and everything, go ahead and take this. Oh, God. See, get in here nice and close. Yeah. And your thoughts?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Come on, this is going on YouTube, man.
It's really good.
All right.